Hey everyone, today we are talking about Grok 4.5. This is the newest AI model from SpaceX AI. You might know this company by its old name xAI. It's now called SpaceX AI. This new model is built to be great at three things: writing code, doing agent tasks, and helping with office work. Let's break it all down. Here's the problem. You already know most AI models are good at just one thing. You use one AI for coding, then a different one for research, and maybe a third one for writing documents. That gets messy fast. Grok 4.5 tries to fix this. It's built to be strong at coding, agent tasks, and office work all in one model. What exactly is Grok 4.5? Think of it as one model with three strong skills. First, coding. It can write in hard languages like Rust and C++ and build full apps. Second, agent task. It can plan, step, and use tools and finish a job on its own. Third, knowledge work like legal research and office documents. One model, three jobs. Let's look at the test scores. On SWE Bench Pro, a tough coding test, Grok 4.5 solves 64.7% of the problems. On Terminal Bench 2.1, it scores 83.3%. On Deep SWE 1.0, it gets 62%. And here's a big one. Grok 4.5 ranks number one on Harvey's Legal Agent Benchmark. That test is built around legal and office work, not just coding. One quick note, each model is tested inside its own best setup. So treat this model score as a guide, not just the full picture. Let's start with coding. Grok 4.5 is trained to handle real engineering work. That means hard languages like Rust and C++, not just simple scripts. It can take one prompt and build a full working app from start to finish. It was trained on a real code, real science, and real math. So it understands real projects, not just textbook example. Think of it like hiring an engineer who has already shipped hundreds of real projects, not someone who just studied the theory in a classroom. Next is speed. Grok 4.5 runs at about 80 tokens per second. That's a fast model speed. It's actually quicker than many smaller flash models. That means you wait less time between asking a question and getting your full answer. Getting a smart answer fast is a big deal. Think of it like a chef who is both quick and makes a great dish instead of picking just one of the two. Now, let's talk about the cost. Grok 4.5 uses 4.2 times fewer output tokens than Opus 4.8 on its maximum setting. For the same coding task, fewer tokens used means a smaller bill for you. It is priced at $2 for every million input tokens and $6 for every million output tokens. Overall, it's about twice as token efficient as other top model. Think of it like a worker who finishes the exact same job using same way, less paper, so the bill ends up smaller too. How did SpaceX AI actually build this model? They trained it across tens of thousands of NVIDIA GPUs. Before training even started, they cleaned up the data. That means removing duplicate content and scoring what was actually good quality. Then came reinforcement learning. That's a training method where the model tries a task, gets graded, and improves. They ran this across hundreds of thousands of real tasks. It was also built to keep working and keep learning during long agent jobs that runs for hours. Think of it like a student doing thousands of practice problem. Let's see what one single prompt can do. In one demo, someone asked Grok 4.5 to build a beautiful simulation of the solar system with adjustable time and realistic orbits using 3.js. It built the whole thing, planets, orbits, and a style display from that one request. In another demo, someone asked to outline a 5-slide quarterly business review. It planned the slides and built them out using clean native shapes. Grok 4.5 is now the default model inside Grok Build, and it's just as strong in everyday office tools. In Excel, it can research numbers from the web, build formula across multiple sheets, and even leave sticky notes to explain its work. In PowerPoint, it uses native shapes to build clear diagrams and tidy slide layouts. In Word, it writes clear prose, keeps a consistent tone, and organized long documents as well. This is not just a coding model, it's an office helper too. Let's walk through one real example together. Someone types one simple request, outline a 5-slide quarterly business review. First, Grok 4.5 reads the request and understands the real goal. Second, it plans the output. It picks 5 slides: revenue, margins, pipeline, outlook, and a close. Third, it builds the slides, adding native shapes, titles, and a clean layout. Fourth, it hands the finished deck back to you, ready to open and present. One prompt, one finished tech out. Some common myths before you get too excited. Let's clear up a few myths people believe on launch day. Myth one: a bigger benchmark score always wins. Not true. A higher number does not always mean better results on your real project. Always test it on your own task. Myth two: cheaper always means weaker. No true here either. Grok 4.5 is priced low and still scores well because it finishes tasks using a far fewer tokens. Myth three: it's available everywhere on day one. Not quite. Grok 4.5 is not yet available in the European Union. So how can you start using Grok 4.5 today? You can try it for free for a limited time in both Grok Build and Cursor. It's included on every Cursor plan. If you want API access, it costs $2 per million input tokens and $6 per million output tokens through the console. And one more note, it's not yet available in the European Union, but that's expected to change around mid-July. If you want to set it up from the command line, you can still install it with one command from xAI. Let's do the recall. It is strong at coding, it's fast and agentic, it's cheap per task, it's sharp at office work, it was trained at a huge scale, and it's live today with the European Union joining around mid-July. That's Grok 4.5 from SpaceXAI, formerly known as xAI. If this breakdown helped you, hit like and subscribe. I'll keep explaining new AI model launches like this in simple words